What's up friends? In this video, I am going to share my experience with the best 3D printer of 2023. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the 3D printer new update 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide for you. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The creality Ender 3 is a popular 3D printer that has gained a reputation for being affordable, reliable, and versatile. It is a fully open source printer, which means that the design files and software are freely available for anyone to access, modify, and improve. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 is its resume printing function. This allows the printer to automatically pause and resume printing in the event of a power outage or other interruption. This is a useful feature that can save time and materials, as it reduces the need to start a print job from scratch if something goes wrong. The Ender 3 has a printing size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, 220 x 220 x 250 millimeters, which is large enough for most hobbyist and small-scale professional printing projects. It is also capable of printing with a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, and others. Number 2. The official creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is a popular FDM, fused deposition modeling, printer designed for home and school use. It features a removable build surface plate, allowing for easy removal of finished prints, and a branded power supply for reliable and safe operation. The build volume of this printer is 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, providing ample space for printing a wide variety of objects. The Ender 3 Pro offers a sturdy frame made of aluminum extrusions, making it durable and long-lasting. It comes with a resume printing function that allows for interrupted prints to be resumed, making it ideal for longer printing projects. This printer also features a semi-assembled kit design, making it easy to set up and use straight out of the box. Additionally, it is compatible with a wide range of 1.75 mm filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more. Number 3. The creality official Halot 1, CL60, resin 3D printer is a high-precision, fast printing machine designed for creating highly detailed and intricate models. This printer is equipped with a precise integral light source that ensures highly accurate printing, making it ideal for creating jewelry, dental molds, and other small-scale objects that require intricate details. The Halot 1 is also equipped with Wi-Fi control, which allows you to monitor and control the printer remotely using your smartphone or tablet. This feature provides added convenience, allowing you to keep track of your print progress from anywhere. Another notable feature of the Halot 1 is its fast printing speed. This printer can create highly detailed models in a fraction of the time it would take traditional 3D printers. Additionally, the Halot 1 is equipped with a dual cooling and filtering system, which helps to maintain a consistent temperature and prevent resin from solidifying prematurely. The Halot 1 comes fully assembled out of the box, making it easy to set up and start printing right away. It also features a user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to navigate and control. Number 4. The voxellab Aquila C2 3D printer is a high-quality printer designed for home and professional use. It features an improved alloy frame structure that provides stability and precision during the printing process. The printer is equipped with a certified power supply, ensuring safety and reliability during use. The printer has a removable build surface plate, which makes it easy to remove finished prints and clean the surface for the next print job. It also features a resume printing function, which allows you to resume the print job from where it left off, in case of power failure or an error. The voxellab Aquila C2 3D printer is fully open source, which means that its firmware and hardware designs are freely available for modification and customization. This makes it a great choice for those who like to tinker and experiment with their 3D printers. With a printing size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, the voxellab Aquila C2 3D printer is suitable for a variety of projects, both big and small. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it easy to use and maintain, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Overall, the voxellab Aquila C2 3D printer is a reliable and versatile 3D printer that can meet the needs of a wide range of users. Number 5. The Crazy 3D Print CZ300 3D printer is an excellent option for hobbyists and professionals looking for a high-quality 3D printer with a large build area. With its heated print bed, aluminum DIY kit, and massive build volume of 300 x 300 x 300 mm, this printer can handle even the most complex projects. One of the standout features of this printer is its heated print bed, which allows for better adhesion of materials to the bed, resulting in higher quality prints. Additionally, the aluminum DIY kit provides added durability and stability to the printer, making it a reliable option for long-term use. The printer's large build area is perfect for printing bigger items or multiple smaller objects at once. This feature makes it an ideal option for those who want to produce prototypes or models for a wide range of applications. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.